Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And in this video, y'all, we are trying out a new wash and go combo. Someone commented and said that these two products made a really good wash and go. It was moisturized, there weren't any flakes or anything. So I'm dying to see how this combo will work for my hair. And the two products are the Doux Honey Dip Honey Butter Gel, along with Big Poppa. So I have already shampooed, conditioned, deep conditioned my hair in the shower already. And under this plastic cap, my hair is already in sections. I've already created my part, going with a side part this time. And we are just gonna go ahead and get into this wash and go combo. Now, I know I'm looking crazy, so let me go ahead and start styling my hair. But I do want to mention that there is no product in my hair or anything. And I'm just going to go ahead and take this back part down, and I am going to apply the Honey Dip Butter Gel first and then go on top with Big Poppa. Now, I have reviewed both of these products before on my channel. I will have those videos linked up above so you can check those out after this one. So let's just go ahead and start applying Honey Dip. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with just one pump of the honey butter gel first, and this is what it looks like. And as I rubbed it in, it does look like honey on my hands. But let's just go ahead and apply it. And I just wanna say, spoiler alert, I actually loved this Honey Dip Butter Gel. But still, go ahead and watch the whole video so you can see what my thoughts were and how long my hair lasted, etc. But yeah, as you can see, like, it is just going on so perfectly. Like, it feels like butter going on. Like, y'all, Honey Dip is a really, really good product. So I am just going to continue to go ahead and add the Honey Dip to my sections, and once I'm done, I'll come back and then we'll get to applying the Big Poppa gel. Alright, so we are done applying the Honey Dip. So now we are going to go in with Big Poppa. Now, I will say there's only this much in this container here, so I'm thinking I should be able to use all of this. We shall see, but if not, no fear. We do have another new Big Poppa right here. So just like I did honey dip, I'm going to go ahead and apply it in probably bigger sections. And then once I'm done, I'll come back and let you guys see what my wet results look like. Okay, so I am finally done applying the Big Poppa to my hair, and when I was applying it, like, I got these little white pieces. I don't know if you can see that one right there, and I really don't know what it is. Looks like the product may be curdling or something. I'm not really sure. So it didn't do that on my other sections, as you can see. But look, there's one right here as well. This is what it looks like. See, it doesn't look, I don't know what that is, y'all. So this is going to be interesting. So I'm just gonna let my hair air dry for a little while, and then I'll probably sit up under my hooded dryer. So when my hair is completely dry, I'll come back and let you guys see what my hair is looking like. All right, y'all, so I am back and my hair is 100% dry, and this is what we are looking like. Now, I will say that there is a slight crunch on my hair, especially like on the ends. So I'm not mad about that, but yeah, this is what we're looking like. And so I'm gonna get ready and put my satin scrunchies on my hair to stretch my hair, put my bonnet on, and then tomorrow I will come back so you guys can see what my hair looks like on day one. Okay, y'all, so it is the next morning, so let's go ahead and take this bonnet off and these scrunchies out, and let's see what our day one results look like. Now, as I am separating my hair feels really good. The cast that I had is no longer there. But as you can see, I still do have curl definition, and it is easy for me to fluff without disturbing the definition and causing frizz. So that's that part. So far, y'all, this wash and go combo looks really good. All right, now this is the section that I am most curious about, because if you remember, I had little white pieces in my hair that I really couldn't explain. So hopefully we don't get flakes or anything on this section. We've done well with the others. Let's see. As you can see, you still can kind of see some flakes there, product buildup, whatever you want to call it. See, there's some right there. Don't know if you can see. It's popping out. Don't want to bother it too much. And my hair feels really soft and manageable. Okay, so this is what we are looking like, y'all. This wash and go combo is bomb. And like I said, with this section right here, I feel like that was more my hair and my application process for that, because as you can see, it did not do it on any other parts of my hair, just this section right here. But y'all, this looks really, really good. So I am interested to see how long this wash and go will last. I do go to the gym, so we will see how it holds up, and I'll probably try to come back on maybe day 2 or day 3 so you guys can see how it is going. But yeah, y'all, for day 1, bomb results. So this is day 2 of this wash and go. I did work out yesterday, and last night before I went to bed I did put my satin scrunchies on, and of course this bonnet. So now we are going to go ahead and take those off and see how my hair looks. So this is what we are looking like, y'all, and I will say that front section, it still has little pieces, little white pieces here and there, but definitely not too bad. But with that aside, y'all, everything else about this wash and go looks fabulous. I also noticed that my hair is flaking, as you can see right here on my shirt, and it is coming from this section here. But all the other sections were good. Like I said earlier in the video, I feel like that had to do with my application and how my hair had started to dry, but not bad at all. We do have, you know, a little flakes, but not bad at all. All right, y'all, so it is day 3 of this wash and go combo. Last night I just put on my bonnet. I didn't even put satin scrunchies on. How rude. But like I said, I did not put any satin scrunchies on, so I am just basically going to fluff. And I do also want to add too, I did have a workout last night, so this is how my hair is holding up after 2 days of working out. So I think that this wash and go combo held up pretty well. And I will say that when I am working out, I just like to put my hair up in a clip. So this is what it is looking like. We still have some flaky pieces in this section still, but other than that, y'all, that looks really good. Like, I really do think that this is a great wash and go combo. Now I will say that some pieces of my hair like feel dry, like my ends, like this part right here. It's kind of hard to separate, but anywho, it feels just slightly drying, like on my ends. The rest of my hair, it still feels moisturized, but I feel that I would probably only be able to get like 4 good moisturized days out of this wash and go combo, which is not bad at all. And I did also want to share with you guys that I still have some of the Big Poppa left in that container, so I really didn't have to use much. Hi guys, so I just wanted to pop in real quick and let you all know that I did try this wash and go combo again, and it came out much better. I will say my application process went a little better because my hair was more wet at the time. So just keep that in mind when you are applying these 2 products to your hair. Now, I will say that this is day 3 of the wash and go, and it looks really good, y'all. Look at the volume, look at the definition still. And I will say that yesterday I did work out and I worked up a really good sweat. I came home last night, I put my satin scrunchies on my hair and banded it, and then put my bonnet on, And this is what we are looking like. So it held up really well throughout my workout. And I do also want to say that I did not get any flakes this time, so I am super duper happy about that. So this wash and go combo will definitely be one that I will go to more frequently because it gives me the moisture as well as the definition. It has the movement, it has the body and everything. So I do enjoy this wash and go combo. So I just wanted to pop back in and let you guys know that I did try this wash and go combo again and I absolutely loved it. So comment down below and let me know if you think that you'll try this combo, or if you tried it, how did it work for you? Did you get flakes or anything? And if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so before you go. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.